Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to win every Zupee Super Over. To start, grasp the fundamental game mechanics and scoring. Your primary goal is to consistently hit for maximum runs while simultaneously focusing on taking wickets to limit your opponent's score. Understanding these core principles is crucial for building a strong foundation and setting yourself up for success in every match you play. Remember, a balanced approach is key. When batting, aim for boundaries and sixes on at least every second or third ball to keep the scoreboard ticking rapidly. Strategically deploy your power-ups, like the double score or extra ball, at opportune moments to significantly boost your total. Always adapt your shot selection based on the bowler's delivery, whether it's a fast ball or a slower one, to maximize your chances of scoring big. On the bowling front, it's vital to vary your line and length constantly, keeping the batsman guessing and making it difficult for them to settle. Target the stumps with precision to increase your chances of taking crucial wickets. Don't forget to utilize special balls and power-ups, such as the slower ball or the bouncer, to restrict your opponent's run-scoring opportunities and gain an advantage. To truly master the game, consistent practice is essential for sharpening your reflexes and improving your timing. Pay close attention to your opponent's patterns and tendencies. Anticipating their moves can give you a significant edge. Most importantly, maintain a calm and focused mindset, especially under pressure. A clear head helps you make better decisions and execute your strategies flawlessly, leading to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.